Hello, everyone. In this video, we'll be briefly reviewing the order of operations. So let me get my... Okay. So the order of operations, sometimes called PEMDAS, is basically the order that you do the operations in a mathematical expression. So it's called PEMDAS because the first thing that you do are the things in the parentheses. Next, you must consider exponents. So exponents are the second step. Multiplication or division. So multiplication and division are on the same level. This means that you do not multiply before dividing. You multiply and divide from left to right. So whichever comes first, you do that first. Same for add and subtract. From left to right. So whichever comes first, you do it first. So PEMDAS. Some people remember it as please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, so for ACSL, the mathematical expressions we'll be using are plus, minus, times, divided by, and exponent. And something that might be different is that multiplication is represented as a star, division is represented as a slash, and to the power of is represented by this caret or this up arrow. When doing exponents will only be by 1 or 2, right? So for example, x, which is a number, to the power of 1 is just equal to x. X to the power of 2 is just x times x. Additionally, division will only be by 1 or 2. So it's either just x divided by 1, which is x, or x divided by 2. Okay. Now, try these practice problems. Remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So actually, how about we will do this first problem together. We'll do these first two together. So let's see. PEMDAS. So are there any parentheses in this expression? No, right? Are there any exponents? Yes. So we must do this first. And when solving a problem using order of operations, you should underline the step that you're doing, write the answer, so 4 to the power of 2 is 16, and rewrite the entire expression. Okay, next, multiplication or division from left to right. This one. Is there any more multiplication and division? Yes, there is, right here. So sorry. And then we'll go over here now. So 21 minus 3 plus 16, right? So addition and subtraction from left to right. This equals 34. 34 is our final answer. Now let's see if we're right. Oops. Nice. And now those steps were condensed, but I want you to, again, do every step. Do every step on its own and then rewrite the whole equation. Right? This way you will not get lost. So next, we'll do the second problem. Parentheses first. So we need to do the things inside of the parentheses first. So inside the parentheses, you also need to do PEMDAS again, right? So are there any parentheses inside of the parentheses? No. So next, are there any exponents inside of the parentheses? Yes, there are. So this is 9. Rewrite the equation. I'll just use x for times this time. sorry. Okay, next. Is there any other exponents? No. How about multiplication and division? Yes. Okay, next. Addition and subtraction from left to right. Right. Then again, we still need to keep doing the things inside of the parentheses. So, and then when you get to one number, you don't have to write parentheses anymore. Right? So 7 squared is equal to 49. Okay. Now, I'll have you try these questions on your own. Oh, these don't have answers. Okay. Try these questions on your own, and I will reveal the answers at the end. Okay, so for problem 1, the answer is 100. Then the answer for number 2, well, we'll do this one together. This is 5 times 3. And if you see nothing here, nothing means multiplication, right? Nothing, you have a number and then nothing in front of the parentheses, it's multiplication. So I'd write that in. Oh, sorry. Oops, I did something wrong. You actually have to do parentheses before you do exponents. So 5 to the power of 1 times 3 times 4 to the power of 2. Next step is 5 to the power of 1. 5 times 3 times 4 power of 2. What's the next step? Exponents still, right? 16, 5 times 3 times 16. Oh, sorry, I already have 16 here. Then something cool is that in multiplication, if it's all multiplication or all addition, you can change this order, right? So I actually like to do it like 16 times 5 times 3. So I think this is easier for me. 80 times. So yeah, just keep in mind that if it's all multiplication or all addition, you can actually switch the order. Do not do this for division or subtraction. All right. That's the end of this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one.